Welcome back, everybody. So today I'm going to be breaking down pricing. I've been getting a lot of questions lately from my stylists on what they should price things at. They've been getting a lot of questions on why things are so expensive. And I just wanted to clear the air a little bit for some people because I think that certain people don't understand how expensive it is to purchase color, run a hair salon, take classes, get your license, take master classes, and better their skill set in the hair industry and the beauty industry overall. First off, out the gate, all the chemicals we use on people are not cheap. So the color, the lightener, the bleach, the shampoo, the conditioner, everything that it takes to actually do your hair, foils, gloves, all that stuff costs money. The skills that we need to pay for to acquire, the classes we take, those also cost money. So much like the new iPhone you just bought, or the case that you buy, or the pocketbook you buy, that also costs money. So if you have an issue with spending money on your hair or the pricing that your stylist has, then maybe you should either change the stylist you're going to or give up something else, because hair is just a luxury, right? It's a great luxury to go to a great salon, a great stylist, and get your hair done. Now, on the flip side, your stylist should be adding a lot of value to you. Like, you shouldn't be paying $300 for a full head of highlights if your color is not great, right? If they don't have the skills to give you the look that you want, but yet they're still gonna charge you a crazy amount of money. So I'm not saying that every single person out there who's charging crazy prices is worth it. You need to make sure that if you love your hair, ask yourself the question, is it worth me paying X amount of dollars to have this look? And if it's out of your budget, speak to your stylist and let them know. Let them know that, hey, listen, I'm really trying to save up to buy a house, or I'm trying to pay down my debt or my school loans or whatever it may be. Right now, it's not in my budget to get my hair done as frequently, because they might be able to work something out with you where they're doing a more lived-in look that you only have to get it done 2 or 3 times a year. They might be able to recommend, like I said, a different color that doesn't have so much upkeep. Now, if everything they do is out of budget, well then you can go to another stylist at their salon. They can recommend somebody that might be more affordable for you, that not necessarily is a bad stylist, just in a different pricing range for you. So if you have any questions about why something costs so much, you could always ask your stylist. I'm sure they're gonna be open and willing to have that conversation with you. But if you're gonna try and talk them into a lower price or negotiate that price down, I would probably recommend against that. Here's the reason why. If you ask them for a discount, or you tell them that their prices are too expensive, can you do my full highlight for 200 instead of 300, or 100 instead of 200, whatever the pricing structure is, right? 2 things are gonna happen. They're gonna start to resent you because you don't value their work. So by you telling me that you don't wanna pay those prices, but yet still wanna come to me and show up in your brand new car, and show up with your brand new iPhone, and show up with your brand new Gucci or Louis bag, that just means you don't value what I do as a professional artist. If you do agree on a price, right? Let's say the stylist does say, hey, I'm gonna discount my highlights for you. They're not gonna really give you 100% of what they have to offer. So you're almost wasting your money. As if you were to go to a different stylist who is in your budget, they're gonna wanna give you as much value because you value them. So if you ask that stylist, hey, listen, can you do it for 200 today? Some of them might say yes, but deep down inside, they're gonna resent you. So don't even have that conversation. See if you can work out a new look or a new color first, and if that doesn't work out for you, then see if you can find a new stylist that they can recommend that has your skill set. I know I have a lot of stylists that work with me now, that trained with me, that are completely capable of doing everything that I do for less money. It becomes a trade-off of time. I'm a lot more booked than them. My time is more valuable, so I need to charge for that. I also have a lot more experience, so I charge for that experience. And plus, I might do things a little differently than they do. Not necessarily better. You may go to one of my assistants who is now a stylist, and they may do your hair better than I do. And you may like it better, and you may pay less money. So there's no reflection of how much you're gonna like your hair compared to how much you're gonna pay. So let's get that out of the way. So I just wanted to clear the air on some things. Foils cost money, gloves cost money, color costs money. To keep the lights on in the salon, the water, like the booking software, there's so much that goes into running a business that a lot of people don't understand. So I hope that cleared it up, like I said. So that's it for today. If this video brought you any value at all, please tag someone. If you don't want to have this conversation with them and you rather them watch this video so you don't need to feel awkward next time they ask you for a discount, just tag them in this video or share this video so maybe they can see it and get the hint. So any questions or comments, feel free to leave it in the comment box below and I will catch you guys next time. If there are any suggestions of videos that you want me to make, please let me know. Email me, nick@thewarehouse.salon, or just DM me on Instagram @nickmarabella. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.